Hi guys, there's been a lot of questions about grades. How do I see my grades and due dates? And I wanted to make this short screencast to show you some important things so that you can know where to look. First, let's talk about due dates. You're going to be able to find due dates in two spots. Top right hand corner right here, you're always going to see the topics due dates for the week. Due dates are not going to be part of the calendar anymore because by making it part of the calendar, it was closing you out of things if you missed a due date. And teachers don't want that. They do want you to be able to do your work after the due date and maybe be penalized a point or two. So look right here for your due dates, and then always look for the first thing. This is topic 2. Look for this first thing mentioned here, and you'll also see due dates. These two things should correspond. Due dates that you see here will match the due dates that you see here. Okay, so that's due dates. Now let's talk about grades. You want to see your grades for things. What you're going to need to do is go over here to the administration panel and click on grades. Now, unfortunately, part of this is not working properly. You should be seeing your grades just pop up right here, but that's not happening. However, you can still see what kind of grades you got. Whenever you're missing a dash, and you can see there's something missing right here, that means that you've done it and that you've received a grade for it. So, for example, I'm going to scroll down here, and let's say I took the Understanding Emotions quiz. Notice that there's no grade listed right here. But if I want to see my grade, I can go ahead and click on it, and there I can see what I got. I got 3 out of 10, so my score is going to be a 6 out of 20. I did very terrible. If I want to see more specific things, I can click on the 3 right here, and it'll go down and tell me what I missed and what the correct answer is. Okay, so you can go through and see how it is that you did. Now, you may catch on occasion a question that you think is right and that the Moodle has wrong. When that happens, email your teacher or me, and we'll go ahead and fix it. Remember, this is part of the pilot course. When it comes to seeing what your grades are in a forum, I'll scroll down here. So I have this forum, mental and emotional health. Notice there's nothing here, so I know I received a grade for it. So if I click on it, I'm going to look for my name, find the discussion, click on it, and then you'll see the score right here of what you got out of 20. So I would have gotten a 15 out of 20 right here, and that's how you can see your grades. So it's a little bit labor intensive to see all your grades in a topic, or you can go through here and just click on it and you'll see your grades. Now, if you also see a 0 next to something, like a 0 out of 19, don't freak out. That just means your teacher has not gotten to the activity yet and has not been able to grade it. So some grades aren't going to appear instantaneously unless they're a multiple choice question type test. So be aware that your teacher does need some time to grade things. So again, to review, if you want to see what your grades are, over here to the administration panel, click on grades, look for the blank spots, which means that you've actually received a grade in that area. Go over here, click on it to link to it, and then you can see your grade in the actual. Hope that clarifies things. All right, done.